स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। यथाग्निर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता ह्य सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। तेजोऽसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोऽसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोऽसि सहो मयि देहि। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो मुच्येत बन्देभ्यो मुक्तश्चान्यान् विमोचयेत्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। Narayani Namostute. Now I am reciting the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. We meditate on the spiritual effulgence of that adorable, supreme divine reality, the source or projector of the three worlds. May that supreme divine being stimulate our intelligence so that we may realize the supreme truth. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pashyemakshabhiryajatraha Sthirairangai Stuštuvagum Sastanubhihi Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vruddhashravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishvavedaha Swasti nastarksho Arishtanemihi Swasti no Bruhaspatir Dadhatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Namaste to all of you. We shall start with Gita Dhyana Shlokas, please. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Muninam Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वाम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste to everybody. Subhodayam and very good morning. Today also is a very auspicious, sacred day for our brothers and sisters in Bengal and Punjab. Today is Paila Baishak and Shubha Navabarsho for the Bengali brothers and sisters everywhere and for the Punjabi brothers and sisters. Last 3 days, whole India has celebrated New Year. So, New Year means new resolutions and moving from, traveling from darkness to light, ignorance to knowledge, and from unreal to the real, from false to truth, and mrutyorma amrutangamaya, from death to immortality, fear to fearlessness, weakness to strength, restlessness to peace, from tamas to sattva gunam. That is the evolution. That is the spiritual growth. So we had Ugadi in Karnataka and Andhra, Telangana. Yesterday we had for Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam. Then today Bengal and Punjab. People are spread all over the world, all over the country. So wherever our brothers and sisters are there, the citizens are there, we convey our greetings, prayer, and may everybody be healthy, strong, energetic, and obtain the blessings of the Lord to move forward in life. The river is a river because it flows. And the destiny of the river is the ocean, where everything mingles. That is called the Brahmananda Sagara. So we plant a small seed in the soil, in a pot. After 15 days, there is a seedling, tiny seedling. But we protect it, we love it, we care for it, we take care of it, pouring water every day, little by little, little by little, little by little. Then another 15 days, it becomes a small, tiny plant with 2 or 3 leaves, a tender stem. Then the rest is history. It grows and grows, depending on its potentiality. It may become a huge coconut tree, a banyan tree, a ashwatha vriksha. It may become beautiful gardens, all from the tiny seeds. So these courses, our regular meditation, our regular prayer, sadhana, and swadhyaya should help us to grow. That is the subject matter of the 9th chapter and then the other chapters. So before continuing with the Gita meditation, we'll chant the shlokas, 3 shlokas today. Please open shloka number 10, 9th chapter, 10th shloka. All of you, please open the book. Meditation later, now chanting. When I am chanting, all are in meditation, then I will also be in meditation. Everybody should learn, participate. Open your eyes, open your books. If you have memorized the entire thing, excellent. If you have not memorized, be humble to open the book and participate. Okay. 9th chapter, 10th shloka. Mayadhyakshena prakritihi. Shri Bhagavan uvacha. Mayadhyakshena prakritihi. Suyate sacharacharam. हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम् हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते. Under my direction, the world of animate and inanimate things is brought forth by material nature, on account of which The world revolves, O son of Kunti. Hetunanena kaunteya jagad viparivartate. Next sloka, number 11. Avajananti mam mudha manushim tanumashritam param bhava ajananto mama bhutamaheshwaram. Avajananti mam mudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Moghasha moghakarmano mogajnana vichetasaha rakshasim asurim chaiva prakritim mohinim shritaha. Meaning of the 11th shloka, please. Avajananti ma mudha, fools who have assumed human form, deride me, not understanding my transcendental existence as the great Lord of all beings. Then, meaning of the 12th shloka I am reading. Their hopes are in vain. Whose hopes? Those who are criticizing, those who are deriding, those who are insulting the Supreme Being. Their hopes are in vain, their actions are in vain, their knowledge is in vain. They are irrational, trusting the deceiving nature of friends and demons. Shloka number 13. Mahatmanastu mam partha daivim prakritimashritah bhajantyananya manaso Gnatva bhutadimavyayam. Mahatmanastu mam partha daivim prakritimashritah bhajantya anyamanaso nanyamanaso bhajantya nanyamanaso gnatva bhutadimavyayam. Gnatva bhutadimavyayam. Meaning, on the other hand, O Partha, those great souls who surrender to the divine nature worship me with steady minds, knowing me to be the imperishable source of all beings. Shloka number 14. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataha namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataha namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. The meaning is, always chanting my name, fixed firmly in their vows, and worshipping me with devotion, they worship me with an unbroken longing for union. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataha namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. Chanting my name always, firmly fixed in their vows, and worshipping me with devotion, they worship me with an unbroken longing for union. These are few shlokas which we need to think about, which we need to meditate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Two important points before we meditate and understand the meaning of these shlokas is in the 6th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, which is called the Dhyana Yoga, which is called also Atma Sanyama Yoga, the yoga of self-control. Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Shanai Shanai Ruparamet Buddhya Dhritigrihitaya Atma Samstam Manakritva Nakinchidapi Chintayet. How to do the meditation, how to control the mind. He said, it is not that easy, we know. Arjuna's dilemma. Achanchalam Nimana Krishna Pramati Balavadrudam Tasyaham Nigraham Manye Vayoriva Sudushkaram, etc. But there is a way. There's not shortcut. It is a long way, but we have to do it on a regular basis with faith. How to do that? Abhyasa Vairagya. That also we discussed through practice and dispassion. Then when you are practicing, how to practice? That is where now the shloka says, 6th chapter, I am talking about meditation. Shanai Shanai Ruparamed Buddhya Dhritagrihetaya, 6th chapter, 25th shloka. Slowly, 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 little by little. Shanai Shanai means one step at a time. Problem with our people, by meditating for a day or for an hour or 2 hours, simply they will get overconfident, or they will start assuming and presuming things, which is not good. You have to be very careful. You expect the tiny baby in your house to become an Olympic champion straight away? Or once it starts walking, you will make it run 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers marathon? Which will be disaster for the child, is it not? So take 1 hour at a time. Quality is important, not the quantity. And overdoing, people also do this mistake, overdoing. That also Krishna has got a lesson for us. He is a doctor, you see. Doctor for our Bhavaroga Vaidya. He is called Bhavaroga Vaidya. The doctor for worldly diseases, not the infections and not the other treatments of the body. Bhavaroga Vaidya. So he says, Shanai Shanai, Shanai Shanai. Methodically, systematically, patiently. That Shanai Shanai should not be once in blue moon. It should not be once in Amavasya I sit for full day meditation and afterwards I sleep and go and do my worldly work. No. Morning, evening, morning, evening, morning, evening. That is the Dadavrataha. Shanai Shanai, Ruparamet, Buddhya, Dhritigrihetaya. Buddhya Dhritigrihetaya, very important. Steadfast intellect. Steadfast. Dhriti means steady. Not the wavering mind, not the fickle mind, steady mind. Before that, little preparation required. What is that? Prayer, chanting of the mantras, little parayanam. Straight away, don't bypass to meditation. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana. Then comes what? Dhyana. Shanai, 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 Shanai. Slowly, 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 slowly. In English, proverb is there. Slowly, slowly catch the monkey. Slowly, slowly catch the monkey. See, it's an art of catching the monkey. You straight away go, monkey is there, and you go and catch it. It will catch your throat. It will bite you. It will simply scratch and pluck away your eyes also. Mind is like a monkey, you know. So Krishna says, slowly, slowly catch the monkey. Dhritigrihetaya. Atma samstam manakritva. Na kinchidapi chintayet. Kinchit chinta, chhod do. Vadilendavi. How long will you keep that chinta in your mind? Keep on adding chinta after chinta after chinta into your brain, it will become chita. Sanskritam, just that dot. Chinta, chita. Chinta means worries, worries, worries. Chita, it's a funeral pyre. More of chinta, will add into chitta. You will burn yourself. That is what is happening in the society today, in our world today, in our surroundings today. Too much chinta, no surrendering, no giving up, carrying the whole burden on your head, and then crying. Chitta. It becomes a funeral pyre. Atmasamstam manakritva na kinchidapi chintayet. Keep it aside. Take some few flowers. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Ramachandraya Arpanamastu. Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Durga Arpanamastu. Durga Sharanam. What can you do? You are a punny creature. Physically, mentally, just a tiny 5 feet, 6 feet. Oof, one cyclone will come, you will be thrown out. One bhukampam will come, you will go into the earth 500 feet. What? You are better surrender. Ego chhod do. So whatever reason mind is waving away, mind is moving away, yato nischarati, manas chanchalam astiram. From that place of your attachment, then detachment, from there, detach. You have to just pluck it out. A little willpower, a little bit sacrifice. Then, tatastato niyamyaitad atmani eva vasham nayet. Fix the mind in the Atman. That is the spiritual center. For that, we need some support. We need Guru Kripa. We need Daivi Kripa. We need the atmosphere. That's where temples and puja rooms and beautiful gardens have been created for us, not for just recreation and sleeping and gossiping, but utilize that nature, utilize the bhava bhakti. In the 10th chapter, Krishna says bhava bhakti. It is not bhakti, but that is a deep inner connectivity with God. Bhava bhakti, bhavana bhakti, bhavana shakti. So all these will help us to concretize our life, to make our life a center of gravity. Meditation is center of gravity. It will not allow the mind to flicker. So for that, these courses, today we are entering into the 4th day. A little more, this one of the important shlokas he has mentioned there. Satatam kirtayanto maam, yatantascha dridavrataha, namasyantascha maam bhaktya, nityayukta upasate. Satatam kirtayanto maam, constant singing, constant bhajana, constant namasmarana, constant kirtanam can be bhajan, can be puja, can be parayanam, can be a kind of seva. There is something called nritya yoga, the yoga of dance. There is bhojana yoga. There is a yoga of bhojanam. And there is krida yoga. Krida yoga, your games, your football, cricket, etc. can be a yoga. Only that adding masala, adding that fineness, adding that beauty, removing the desires, removing the other passions there, that will give you a flow, that will give you a smooth movement forward. Satatam kirtayanto. So the 9th chapter and later on he will adore that kirtana, and that kirtana has been given to us from generations after generations, from centuries after centuries, through the Samaveda, Samagana it is called. Then came the Raga, Tala, Pallavi, then the Bhavas, the lyrics, the Bhaktis. So today you will get a little special gift. Today you will get a special gift of Sankirtanam, of a small bhajan. Because Krishna has said, Satatam Kirtayanto Mam. So I invited our guest faculty, our friend, our this wonderful person from Chennai, Sri Vedant Bharadwaj. He has already joined live from Chennai with his guitar and banjo, etc. We did a 3-day course on Bhajan Sandhya, meditation and bhajan of Kabir Das, Surdas, Mirabai, Tulsidas, Nanak. It was so adorable, so loving, so wonderful. And I requested him to sing a bhajan, and then we will meditate. That will be the menu today, menu card, menu of meditation. You go to a hotel, they give you a menu card, varieties, and bill also will be very heavy, you see, for one meal, 1,000 rupees. So here it is all free. Nama Sankirtan is the fragrance of the Lord, the connectivity with the Lord. So Vedant Bharadwaj is a playback singer, is a composer, is a guitarist, is a vocalist. He has got his own studio in Chennai, and he follows the Kabir dohas and abhangas and Meera bhajans and Purandar Das kirtans and so many other wonderful person. His website also is there. But anyway, today one bhajan for all of us. Vedant Namaste, Kalai Vanakkam.
Kalai
And
Vanakkam, Swamiji.
Puttand Valtega, little late though.
Puttandu Varthakal, yes. Iniya
And today
Puttandu.
Bengali New Year, Paila Baishak.
Paila
Uh,
Baishakh. Wow.
yes,
Happy New Year to all Bengali brothers and
yes, Bengal, Punjab also.
Punjab, yes.
So every state has got a festival.
Baisakhi, yes.
So we are connected in that way.
Very
And
nice.
thank you for coming. And what is your singing today? Panduranga Vittal acha hota hai na?
I was planning, but then while listening to you talk, I was reminded of a song written by Brahmanand,
Acha.
where he says, "Jo bhaje Hari ko sada, so he
Ah,
param pad
wonderful. Yes,
payega."
yes.
One
Yes,
who
it's very
always
nice.
thinks of the Lord, he alone will attain the highest step, the
Very
highest
nice.
order. For the body, ornaments are of no use. Without love and prayer, you will not please the Lord. But you just need pure love and bhakti.
Yeah,
And once you renounce all worldly pleasures, sit in solitude in ekant, meditate upon the Lord's feet, then you will not be born again. You will be out of the cycle of birth and death.
absolutely.
And with the heart firmly faithful, one who takes the Lord name, Brahmanand says he will find the ultimate truth and salvation.
Yeah,
So I'll sing this song, Swamiji, if that's
very
okay.
nice, very nice. Some of you, please open your cameras. Let Vedant see you that you are involved in this bhajan also. Your emotions, your bhavas, it can be seen by the singer. It adds to his this one also. Yeah.
जो भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि को सदा सो ही परम पद पाएगा सो ही परम पद पाएगा जो भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि को सदा सो ही परम पद पाएगा सो ही परम पद पाएगा देह के माला देह के माला तिलक और छाप नहीं किस काम के प्रेम भक्ति के बिना नहीं नाथ के मन भाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा। जो भजे हरि को सदा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा। छोड़ दुनिया के मजे, सब छोड़ दुनिया के मजे, सब बैठ कर एकांत में, बैठ कर एकांत में, ध्यान धर हरि का चरण का, ध्यान धर हरि का चरण का, फिर जन्म नहीं आएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा। जो भजे हरि को सदा, जो भजे हरि को सदा, जो भजे हरि को सदा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा। दृढ़ भरोसा दृढ़ भरोसा मन में करके, दृढ़ भरोसा मन में करके, जो जपे हरि नाम को, जो जपे हरि नाम को, कहता है ब्रह्मानंद, ब्रह्मानंद, कहता है ब्रह्मानंद, ब्रह्मानंद, बीच समाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा, सो ही परम पद पाएगा। जो भजे हरि को सदा, जो भजे हरि को सदा, पद पाएगा पाएगा पाएगा
Right. As usual, milk and honey flows when Vedant holds the guitar and says, Paramapad Payega.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much for your time and
Thank you, Swamiji.
contribution to us.
It's all your blessings and the energy you bring in that brings out all this from
Wonderful,
me.
wonderful.
Thank you,
Lord's
Swamiji.
grace, Panduranga's grace, Bhagwan's grace. Sadata kirtayanto mam, yatanchascha dridhavrataha, namasyantascha mam bhaktya, nityayukta upasati. And he will take care. He will move forward, right? Fantastic. So hope all the devotee participants will aspire to attain Paramapada. We have, that boat has been pushed into the Sagara. How long? So much suffering, so much of explosion, so much of that infection. All this is in our own karma, you see. So the other side is the beyond misery, beyond joy, beyond dukkham. So using the Nava, as Namadev says, Mira says, let us go to the other side, which is Paramapada. Wonderful. So thank you again, Vedant. A lot of thanks so much, Vedant ji. Wonderful morning. Blessed to have you here. Awesome feeling we got.
Thank you, Swamiji.
So vanakkam again. And for the benefit of this one, please don't miss on Saturday also, participants. Vedant will join us again on Saturday.
Oh, yes.
And tomorrow also we'll have our meditation class as routine, as going deeper and deeper. And Vedant will just give us a little more elevation, a kind of a ISRO booster for the satellite to reach the higher abodes of peace, joy, and strength. So Namaste Vedant, and thank you. And we will meditate based on your feelings, on the bhava created by the Brahmananda Bhajan.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
Swamiji.
So all of you, please settle down and concentrate your body language, everything. And as you meditate, slow down the breathing process, close your eyes. And couple of important points I shall be narrating in between of what we chanted, that 3 or 4 shlokas. But you are going only to listen and meditate. Meditate, meditate till light flashes into your head and the Atman stands self-revealed. That is the goal of meditation. Slow, peaceful, prayerful, and deep inhalation and exhalation. ఎంత మెల్లిగా చేస్తే అంత మంచిది. Meditation is for evolution, purogati, not adogati. We should not be stagnant. If the plant is stagnant, then there is something wrong in the roots, something wrong in the process. The plant has to grow. Similarly, our heart, mind has to grow. We have to be one with that Supreme Being in any name or form. What is important is the connectivity. Let us meditate for a few moments. Keep the mind like a lamp in a windless place. In the 6th chapter, Krishna is suggesting to us, advising us, guiding us in meditation. Yata dipo nivatasto nengate sopama smruta yogino yatachittasya yunjato yogamatmanaha. Like a lamp which is not disturbed by the wind. If it is lesser wind, the lamp, the flame may not burn. If it is more wind, the flame may not burn. It will be put off. It's a calm breeze, just quiet atmosphere. Then it will be steady and straight. No flickering, no swaying. Yatha dipo nivatastu. Krishna said, Avajananti mamudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Avajananti, without understanding, without realizing the greatness of the Supreme Being. People who are arrogant, people who are of Rajasika Guna, they deride him, they insult him, they don't understand him properly. So by Guru's grace, we will be able to understand at least a little, a glimpse of the truth. Buddha was not understood. Sri Ramakrishna was not understood properly. Jesus was not understood. Even Rama had to go to the forest. Very few people could understand, except Bharadwaja, Gautama, and a few rishis in the forest. Sri Krishna was misunderstood. Sri Ramakrishna was misunderstood. So like that, the avatars are misunderstood. But as a bhakta, through meditation, bhajan, prayer, seva, I at least theoretically understand my ishta. Pray to the God, pray to your ishta, pray to Sri Ramakrishna to give us that buddhi, to give us that intelligence to understand who he is. Dive deep, dive deep, dive deep, oh my mind, into your heart center. That is the seat of the divine, the seat of Bhagavan, the seat of Ishvara. Though there are people who deride, who criticize, who insult the Lord, there are other Mahatmas, wonderful people, great people. Mahatmanastu mam partha, daivim prakritim ashritaah, bhajanti ananya manasa, gratva bhutadim avyayam. They are possessed of divine Prakriti. Prakriti can be bad, can be good also. But there are people in our own society who are possessed by divine Prakriti, the pure Prakriti, Vidya Maya, it is called. Knowing me to be the origin of beings and immutable, worship me with single mindedness. They have Ananya Manasaha. They meditate on me, they worship me, they sing about me, they sing my glories with Ananya Manasa. So meditation is Na Anyaha Ananyaha. One pointed devotion. So please try to gain one pointed devotion. सततं कीर्तयन्तो मां यतन्तश्च दृढव्रताः नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ता उपासते. Glorifying me always, singing about me always, worshipping me always, and striving with firm resolve, dridhavrataha, nityayuktaha, namasyantascha mam bhaktya, nityayukta upasate. If we have to attain the Paramapada, Paramadhama, these are to be followed by us in meditation, in our life, not just 1 hour, but the remaining 23 hours. Not just 2 hours, the remaining 22 hours. Whatever time we give for meditation, and the remaining time should be satatam, always, kirtayantaha, in the mind. Should go on singing, repeating the Guru mantra, the Ishta mantra. Jo baje hari ko sada, sada is satatam, nitya yuktaha. Don't be waved off, don't be driven away by other forces. Hold the compass and take your boat towards the Paramapada, to the supreme abode of freedom, joy, Anandam, Bhakti, Mukti, Shraddha. What else is required in life, tell me? Sadatam Kirtayanto Ma. And at the same time, Dridhavrataha. Tapasya is very important, austerity is important. Saluting me with great devotion. Namasyantascha mam bhaktya. Mam here is the Lord Himself. So mentally, all of you, please think that you are offering your salutation. You are doing Shastanga Namaskara. Think of Sri Ramakrishna. Think of Ma Sharada. Think of Swamiji. Think of Sri Ramachandra. Think of Bhagavan Krishna, Durga, Shiva, Shakti, Ganesha. Any Ishta Devata that you are worshipping in your family or with whom you are connected. Namasyantascha. Punascha bhuyopi namo namaste. Again and again we have to do namaskar. Now you are offering some flowers. It can be roses, it can be hibiscus, it can be marigold, it can be champaka, it can be jasmine, any flower. You're offering with bhakti. You're offering with devotion. Now you're offering some fruit as naivedyam. You're cleaning the fruit, washing the fruit. In the mind, you are satata kirtanam is going on. Satatam kirtayanto maam. Concentration is there, bhakti is there. So peaceful, so joyful, so contented it will be. This is called upasana. Now you are offering some cooked food which you have prepared lovingly, which you have prepared at home, not just purchased in a hotel or in some shop, but done by your own hand, your own mind and heart. All your energy, mentally, physically, emotionally, is turned towards the Lord. Satatam kirtayanto maam, yatantascha dridhavrataha, namasyantascha maam bhaktya, nityayukta upasate. Om. 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 Let us also pray for the well being of all people, all our friends, brothers, sisters everywhere. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. Think of the meaning also and send your thoughts in all directions, everywhere. Once again, think that you are doing Sashtanga Namaskaram. Namasyantascha mam bhaktya nitya yukta upasate. When you again and again surrender, when you again and again offer your pranam, salutations, what happens is your ego is crushed. Your ego is purified. Your mind rises from tamogunam to sattvagunam. And when the ego, when the I reduces, when the power, when the painful power of the I vanishes, then the Atma Jyoti is blossoming, is rising, is engulfing your whole life. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Mentally, please go on repeating two more times. Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Let us offer our salutations with devotion, with Shraddha, with Ekagrata to the all-pervading blissful spirit seated in the hearts of us all. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Let us do bhajana, seva and puja of the Lord. May all be moving towards spiritual growth. May all people attain some amount of spiritual wisdom so that the stress and strain, anxiety, tensions, worries will be reduced. Or we will gain the strength to face and to eradicate the diseases, physical, mental, moral diseases. Rub the palms up very nicely, everybody. Gently roll over your eyelids, forehead, and face. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Very good. Namaste again to everybody. And keep up that joy, that calmness, that peace, that gravity of devotion and meditation throughout the day. Take one day at a time and move forward. That's how that rhythmic flow of joy, of peace, of more and more spiritual anandam. That should be our goal, immediate goal. Work will be going on, the samsaram will be going on, the world will be going on, but in between that two heavy vehicles, how I will navigate myself. That will be a very interesting sadhana. That is the purpose of Gita. That is the purpose of Sri Ramakrishna's teachings. And that is the purpose of our course being conducted every day and periodically. Okay? So we shall end uh, and move forward, right? Everybody says, grateful to you. Why grateful to me? To Sri Ramakrishna, grateful to the Lord. Is it not? We are arranging, we are instrumental. So, good experiences I find. What are the experiences? Blessed with emotion. Very nice. Awesome feeling we got. Thanks so much. Ego and self-respect. Shyam Babu Garu wants to know ego and self-respect. Atma Bhavam. In Telugu we call it Pogaru and Garvam. Pogaru is arrogance. That is the ego. It is pinching, it is troubling, it is insulting. Pogaru. Hey, who are you to tell me? Hey, I don't care for you. That is ego. That is bad ego. And another is good ego, which will serve others, which will think I am a bhakta, I am the child of God, I am the devotee. Okay? So when Vivekananda says, think that you are the Atman, it is not ego of which is troubling others. You have a coconut and you need to open the coconut. What will you do? Can you open with your hands, with your fingers? You cannot do that. So you need a knife, you need a hammer, and then you nicely beat it and remove all that, this one, and move forward. So the great devotees, all these Brahmananda, Mira, great saints, Purandar Das, Annamacharya, how much respect they had. So that Pogaru and Garvam should be differentiated. Then pride and arrogance, self-respect, Atma Bhavam. Dik Kshatriya Balam Brahma Tejo Balam Balam. So like that. Swamiji's self-respect. And Sister Nivedita's self-respect. If you are a devotee, if you have totally surrendered, the Lord will take care of you. But as long as you are in the world and dealing with people, etc., some amount of self-respect is required, self-protection is required. Sri Ramakrishna's example of, story of, do not bite, but try to hiss. Sri Ramakrishna says, snake has got two powers, biting power and hissing power. Busagurtundi, karustundi. Karuste fatal. Busagurte, when that fellow will not trouble the snake. It has been given this one to protect itself. So for a householder, self-respect and protection of the family is very much required. So, but if you are totally surrendering, like Nagamahashya, like other great saints, like Bhadrachala Ramadas, they did not bother anything. They just surrendered. That Lord came, Ramachandra came and freed him. Right? So everybody, total surrender. But that is Very less, very few people can do that. So we'll have some amount of aham bhavam. That aham bhavam, turn it towards seva, turn it towards swadhyaya, and then that won't trouble you. Slowly, that also will go, and only the Lord will gain. Okay. So somebody said, highly grateful to you. Today's session was really wonderful. Meditation coupled with Sankirtana has accelerated. Why? Very, very important word. Has accelerated our sadhana. That is what we want. We have to quicken the process. Simply going on slowly. Yadubandi. Today, this is not the place of Yadubandi. Today, we are in the age of jet, Concorde, and ISRO satellites going at tremendous speed. Is it not? So possible, we should utilize the opportunity. Good idea. The melody of music facilitated meditation and aided in elevating our mind and getting it focused on the Paramatma. Wow. Jai Ramakrishna. Happy to that person. Every class is like a power up for us. Rest of the days, encouraging and driving us to our supreme goal. Each day there is an improvement and progress seen in the focus and devotion towards the Lord. Fantastic. So that should be kept up and taken forward. Another person says, Anuradha Amma says, no words to express today's session. Very good. I also have no words, but I have to tell something. I have no words. I'm just reading something. That's. Huh? Thank you for feeling refreshed mind. Vedant sir, beautiful Kirtana today. Jo Baje Hari Ko Sada. Yes, that is always beautiful. That reminds me, Sada Shiva Bhajam Mana, waiting for Saturday, another Kirtana. Yes, Saturday, let it come within Saturday. Let it not take more time. Okay, so very nice. These are some of your experiences. I appreciate. Meditation in combination of music, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita is a real feast to our soul. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Thank you. Recommended books. Subramaniam sir has reminded me, so I cannot forego that. I am going to show the list of books so that you can keep it in mind. Okay? 1 second. You see, hope you are able to see the screen. There are benefits of meditation, which only one benefit I will show. For convenience sake, it is called the physiological benefits. What meditation can do to you at the body level, how your health, etc., will improve. So it says, not able to see. Okay. So leads to a deeper level of physical relaxation, decreases the muscle tension in your body, post-operative healing. If anybody is having some problem after operations, etc., please maximize your screen. Okay. Is it okay now? Is it visible? Saurabh? Saurabh Kishore, acha hai? Full screen hai? Okay. Reduces the activity of viruses. Yeah. Corona's effect will be reduced if you meditate properly. Drop in cholesterol levels, definitely. Improved flow of oxygen into the lungs. That is why pranayama is advised, 5-10 minutes. Don't do too much and don't do too less also. Minimum 10 minutes you can do. It cures headache and migraines. Okay. So having said that, I will take you forward towards the book side. Tomorrow, more details we will see. Yes, suggested readings. There are nearly 10 books I have mentioned, I think. Meditation and Spiritual Life, it's an outstanding book. It is in every language you want. Bengali, it is there. Hindi, it is there. English, of course, original. In Telugu, it is there. Anuvadam, Dhyanam, Adhyatmika Jeevan, Dhyana or Adhyatmika Jeevanamu, Yatishwaranandaji. It is there in all our bookstalls in India. It is there online publication from Calcutta. Meditation, Mind and Patanjali Yoga by Swami Bhaskarananda is published from Chennai, Ramakrishna Math. It's a wonderful book. This one book, okay? Small book, just about 100 rupees, easily understandable. Then Concentration and Meditation by Swami Paramananda. He was Swami Vivekananda's disciple. So it's an authentic book, deals a smaller book, dealing with some steps on meditation and concentration also. Then meditation, its preparation. Preparation is very important. The morning, first day also I told you, that is mentioned in these books, how to prepare yourself. Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna, 2 volumes by M. M is the author, Master Mahashaya, Mahendranath Gupta, original Bengali. Telugu translation, Ramakrishna Kathamritamu. Any translation in any part of the world. In French also it is there. How to Live with God by Swami Chaitanananda. Then See God with Open Eyes. That is a very important book. All of you should have it on your table. That is meditation on Sri Ramakrishna, other teachings of his. Sri Ramakrishna said, see God with open eyes, that is action. See God with closed eyes, that is meditation. So these are 5-6 books. Few more are there. New books also are there. Tomorrow some more I will share with all of you. Okay. So for meditation today, spiritual life, meditation, mind and Patanjali Yoga, concentration and meditation and its preparation. How to live with God, see God with open eyes, Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna, and the other direct disciples' teachings. That some more new titles have come in our shop. We will show you tomorrow. Okay. So please note down all these and purchase some books and daily read half an hour as your discipline also. Right. So this is the thing. We will take it up tomorrow. Thank you. Namaste. Subhadinam to all of you. And Shubha Navavarsho. And greet all the people in Bengal and Punjab. And let everybody be happy, graceful, stress-free, and full of ananda. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dhanyavadam. Jai Ramakrishna.